Cheryl Jones,
Yes.
you are suing the defendant Robert Conley
Yes.
for $4,655 for a refund for labor and materials for roof repairs he was
Yes.
supposed to do on your home. Okay, are the two of you related?
That's my sister.
Okay, so you're brother and sister.
Yes, that's
Okay.
my brother.
Okay.
As children, we were very, very close.
What about as adults?
We had a little shaky relationship.
So what happened here?
I bought a fixer-upper home, and it needed a new roof. My brother said, I would like the job. He said, I need the money. And without question, of course, he said he's done many roofs. He's had a lot of experience on doing roofs.
Okay. So, Mr. Conley, you have a conversation with your sister about this. When did that conversation take place?
Probably 2014, early spring.
Okay, and what was that conversation, sir?
She was going to have her roof put on, and I went over and I told her, I said, hey, I really need the money, and I'd like to do the job for you. And she said, okay, and then she wrote me a check for $4,000, and I went out and bought the stuff.
She wrote you a check for $4,000, and was that the total amount you paid him?
Yes, he said he was needing money. Wanted to know if I would go ahead and write the check then, because he was in need of money. Well, I didn't even hesitate. I went ahead and wrote the check and then went on my way to Tennessee.
Okay, and the agreed upon total price for this project was what?
$4,700.
$4,700, and you paid him $4,000 of that $4,700.
I paid him $4,700.
You paid him the total amount of $4,700.
Yes, yeah.
Did he ever do the job?
He did not do the job. He did a small area.
What did you tell her?
I told her it would take me whenever I had time to do it, because at that time, just so lucky, I got a job working for a farmer, and we were in the fields in the morning and didn't get out till dark.
You just didn't work on it at all because you got busy?
No, we was discussed, and I told her I would do the job, you know, in time.
What does that mean?
It means whenever I had the time.
But that's not okay with her.
It was at the time.
Well, no, because we're here. Do you know why we're here?
Yeah.
Why?
Because she's a nut.
Really? Did you ever do the job?
Nice.
Huh?
Did you ever do the job?
I done some of it, yes.
Okay, so how is she a nut? She paid you $4,700 and
She
you
didn't pay me
did some of the work
$4,700.
whenever you had the time. How is she a nut?
I told her that as soon as the weather cleared up, I would start, and then I would do it as.
And so did you do that, sir?
Yeah, and that was agreed upon. That as long as I got her roof done, you know, before it got cold and stuff, that it would do it. You know, I'm not a roofer by no means. I've never roofed a house before in my life.
Your Honor, he told me.
But you offered to do the job? You took the money?
Yeah.
He told me.
You said what you needed to say to get the $4,700. That's what it sounds like to me. After you got the money, you didn't care one way or the other when, if, and how the roof got done.
I believe
Am I
you're
right?
wrong.
I'm sorry?
I believe you're wrong.
I don't care what you believe. What you believe is completely irrelevant to me. In fact, if you had any sense, you wouldn't even be here being sued by your own sister. So keep your comments about what you believe to yourself, because when you walk through those doors, it's what I believe that matters in this courtroom.
Well, it's your courtroom, but what I'm saying is that what you're thinking is wrong.
And I'm going to tell you again, what you think does not matter.
Coming up on Judge Faith, questions are raised about the real reason for the siblings' roof repair dispute.
He put a fence in his backyard that same summer.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Not with the money she paid me. I done it with the money with my tax refunds and money that I earned from my job.
And what else did he do in his house? Forget everything she said. I'm asking you a question. Did you complete the job?
No, I did not.
Okay, so give her money back.
She'll have to wait till I get the money.
No, she's not. She's not waiting another day.
Well, then
It's going to happen today.
Well, then she had to take me to court and sue me again because I don't have it.
That's what we're here for today, Conley.
Huh?
That's what we're here for today.
Yeah,
You're getting
I know.
sued already.
I know.
Ma'am, stand up, please. Who are you, ma'am?
His wife, her sister-in-law.
Good luck.
Everything was fine about the roof. We've been to her house since the roof. He went over and helped her put up a privacy fence. Then, my grandson's birthday is in December. My daughter-in-law tried to call her to invite her, and her house phone had been disconnected.
So she wasn't invited to the party.
That was on February 20th of this year. She filed the paperwork February 25th 25th or
And
28th.
so you think that this lawsuit, after she's paid your husband $4,700,
There was not 4,700. There was 4,000.
I have it.
may I see it, please?
Yes, you may.
Do you concede that she paid you $4,700?
No, it was 4,000.
No.
I'm sure it was 4,000.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, it was $4,700. Here's the check that you cashed for $4,700. So perhaps you don't remember.
Oh, well, I'm sorry then. I'm sorry. I apologize to her too. But I thought it was $4,000.
But let me ask you something. You eventually hired someone else to come in and do this job?
Yes.
When was that? What month and what year?
It was at the end of August of 2014.
And how much did you pay someone to complete the job?
$1,000.
And were you aware that someone else came in and finished this job, sir?
After it was all done, yeah, I was aware of that.
Okay, and at that point, you still feel that you don't owe her money because she had to pay someone else for labor to come in and complete the job that you did not finish?
No,
And why is that?
because I would have finished it. You know,
Has she given you more time?
Yeah.
What do you want to say, sir?
Yeah.
Do you have anything you want to say?
All I can say is that the shingles have been laying up there for so long that they're starting to melt.
Yeah, no, it's 5 months.
Yeah.
5 months. That's more than a reasonable amount of time for Mr. Conley to complete this job. I mean, you call your sister a nut.
You don't know what I've been through with these people.
I don't know what you've been through, but I know that you spent that $4,700. You didn't have a problem spending the money they paid you to do the work, and you didn't do it.
He put a fence in his backyard that same summer.
And what else did he do in his house?
In the winter, this past winter, they redid the whole kitchen.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So
That was
you've
not
had
with
some
your
spare
money.
time and some money to do some remodeling in
That
your
wasn't
house.
with my money, but
Just not hers.
That
Your
was
Honor.
not with her, not with the money she paid me. I done it with the money with my tax refunds and money that I earned for my job.
What did you do with the money she paid you?
I paid bills.
He was not working at the time, had not been working.
That's not her problem. Whether or not he's working, and hey, if he's not working, then he should have all the time in the world to complete the project, right? He should have all the time in the world to
So you
complete the
didn't- you
project
didn't hear me,
that
did you,
she's already
Judge?
paid for.
Your Honor.
What did she say?
I said you didn't hear me, did you?
You know what? I'm gonna get you out of here because you about to. Let me tell you something. He's
Because
about
I
to make
told
me
you
go
I
there,
got a
and I'm not
job.
gonna go there today. I went to Bible study yesterday, and I'm not gonna go there today. You about to make me go there today. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. So it's $4,700 the plaintiff paid to the defendant. We're going to subtract $1,000 for materials you can see was purchased. In addition, I'm going to subtract $200 for labor. That leaves $3,500 that you owe the plaintiff, sir. Now, I'm going to say something because I think you're rude, I think you're disrespectful, and I think you show no remorse whatsoever for taking advantage of your sister. You may be able to treat her like that, but when you come into this courtroom, you will respect this courtroom, and you're going to respect this judgment. You pay her $3,500. Have a good day.